What's happening, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Now this video is something a little bit different for you. I haven't been on YouTube for a little while now. I've come back to show you my trading setup, what I'm doing, why I bought a trading setup, and what I'm going to be doing on a daily basis with it and everything else. So if you're new around here, drop us a like, subscribe if you're new, and let's get into the video. Okay, so what we've got a 2-monitor setup here. We've got two Asus 24-inch HD monitors. I was going to get 4 screens to build it up like that, but I didn't really want to because I've got behind here, I've got a cork board that I'm going to have my vision board basically, and I'm going to use that to put goals on and everything else that I'm aiming for. I'm going to show you the rest of the setup as well. I'm also going to show you what's underneath the desk as well, because that's the most exciting thing about all of this. The setup itself actually cost £2,500. We're going to go through the order on my screen during this as well, because to be quite honest with you, I don't have a clue about computers. My video editor who edits this, basically we went on a Zoom together and we went through and picked out what we thought would be the best for myself, and it costed an arm and a leg. So hopefully I made lots of money from trading to cover the cost of this setup. Why have I got this setup? This is the most important thing. Now for me, I used to be a very big advocate on laptop lifestyle, you know, in the sense of you don't need a good big setup to trade and everything else. And I think that's partly true. And what I mean by that is if you are someone who goes abroad and travels and you still want to trade and everything else, then I'd suggest that you would use a laptop because you can't pick this up and take it along with you. However, if you are someone that trades full time and trading is your full-time job, then for me, why wouldn't you invest in yourself to make sure that you have the best possible setup for you to be able to trade better? Me trading here has been a lot better. I used to use a 4-screen setup before, and it was the setup when I first started trading as well. And to be honest, it was quite slow and it was getting a little bit dated. So I thought, look, trading is my full-time job. I trade every single day. Why not pay the money to have the best possible setup that I can have in today's market? Obviously, if you're not a full-time trader and you're not making that much money from trading or whatever else, then stick with your laptop. But when you do get to that point where you are making money and you are trading full-time and everything else, I believe that the best investment you can make is in yourself. You know, I could quite easily have gone and spent £2,500 on a new watch or something pointless that isn't going to add any value to my life. But I felt that if you're investing in something like this, you're using it every single day, you want it to be the best it can be. Because at the end of the day, I look at this similar to like the Grand Prix or the F1, if you like. You've got all of them cars do the same thing. They all drive around the course and everything else, but you've got Lewis Hamilton, who wins every single year, year in, year out, bar last year for some controversial decision. We ain't going to get into that, but it's because of what he's got, his setup in the cars, his engine, his everything else behind that allows him to perform better. And for me, if I've got a really good, fast setup that I can implement my trades really quickly, my internet's not lagging, I haven't got to worry about what's going on around me if I'm out and about on a laptop and everything else, I can just be in here, zoned in, focus on what I'm doing, and this is my sole income. So this is where I'm going to be for the rest of my life. I'm not going to be in this room for the rest of my life, but this is the sort of thing that I'm going to be needing to use. So I'm going to have this for a little while, have it for a couple of years at least, and then once something new, bigger and better comes out, we're going to get that as well. But yeah, let's actually show you what we've got going on here. The actual computer, and we'll do a little bit of a close-up so you can see exactly what's going on. Right, yeah, so as you can see, we've got the monitors here. We've got the 24-inch and 24-inch monitor. We've also got the coloured keyboard as well. If you haven't got a coloured keyboard, then are you even really a trader? I can't remember what brand it is. You might know from the logo. I can't remember myself, but we'll have a look at the order in a minute. I've also got the mouse pad with the glowing mouse as well, which again, are you even really a trader if you haven't got that? I've got these as well. These are my headphones that I use. I do these on my Zooms for students when I'm doing one-to-ones or when I'm on a Zoom call, or even when I'm listening to the live school. I've got these. These are pretty cool. These light up as well and change colour. I'm all about the changing colour lifestyle. But let's have a look at the actual computer itself. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, we've got the Lian Li, I think that says. I have no idea what that means. We've got a nice glowing computer there. And the most important bit, we've got this going on there. We've got a GeForce GTX system. I will go through all the order specifics with you after this, but I have no idea about any of this stuff. But again, it looks pretty cool, really, really fast, and is a brilliant, brilliant computer, to be honest. And of course, we've got the gaming chair, nice and comfy for me to be sitting in and trading in. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go over the order and we can have a look exactly what it is that I've got. Okay, so we're going to have a look at what the actual computer is that I've got now as well. So we've got a case, which is Lian Li Lancool. We've got a processor, which is Intel Core i9 10 core processor. Gigabyte, no idea. Apparently this is important. The memory RAM, 16 gigabyte Corsair Vengeance. Graphics card, all of that good stuff. Again, I have no idea about any of this stuff, so I'm not going to sit here and act like I have any idea. Got the monitors here, which are the Asus TUF Gaming 24-inch. These are really important because obviously I want to make sure that I've got nice clear screens for when I'm trading, so I can watch price action and everything else. We've got a headset here, Corsair. I mean, this might mean more to you than it does me, to be honest, but apparently it's all really good. Gaming chair. And yeah, here's the price here, £2,505 in total. I think the actual computer itself was like £1,500. I'm not going to go down any further because it's got my address and that on it and everything else. And I know some of you weirdos will turn up. But yeah, that's the setup. Obviously the setup isn't finished as we speak. I've still got the vision board that I need to do. I've got my whiteboard here. I haven't shown you. This is basically what I do on a daily basis, how much I want to make on that day, what's my target for the week, how much I am making, what's my, yeah, basically all the good stuff that I need to stay on target for my weekly, daily goals and everything else. But yeah, guys, as I said, I hope you like that. I'm going to keep this video nice and brief. I'm going to be coming back with more videos. We've got some more training videos coming. Now I've got an awesome setup as well. It'd be nice and crystal clear for you, and it'd be easier for me to make the videos as well, because trying to do everything on a laptop and a slow computer really wasn't the one. So no excuses for you now, and I'm going to get some more videos out for you soon. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch up with you all very, very soon. Cheers, guys.